Alright, so you get started by taking off ball joints here, outer tie rods here, these guys, and then sway bar links. I've already also got the transmission unbolted here, and rear engine mount is right there, front engine mount, and then that engine mount there. So you're gonna be taking all that out. Here's your sensor right here. Make sure you get that off of there. These two bolts for the exhaust bracket over here as well. To drop it really slow and make sure that you get all these hoses off of it because they are bolted down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my engine mount now over on this side. All right, so I got the rack and pinion held up on this hook. There's a little hole in the frame right there. So that little hole right there is gonna let you put a bungee cord through it. So as you can see, I got it supported all up. I did have to take off this carrier plate for the exhaust because that was sitting on top of the brake line. So I took that out, and now my subframe is ready to drop. So that's what I'm doing here, as you can see.
You got anything stupid? No, that's hybrid.
Be all right. So now we're just gonna go ahead and start on the valve body. So you're gonna want to take this transmission line out, and you're gonna want to take that line off at the top up there. Alrighty, so I just took this hose off. Doesn't look like there's a seal on it. You just want to take this top off. It's a 22 millimeter. It's just gonna pop right out of that. So just pull it down. Alrighty, so I took the cover off. I just used a hammer, this rubber mallet. You're just gonna want to tap it up and then on the side as well. Alright guys, so I got everything unplugged now. Alright, so I just finished cleaning up around this surface here, around the pan here. So I have the valve body on the table here.
Konnichiwa. Can you put that in your
Konnichiwa. Yeah, I will.
Got that. I forgot too much awesome shit goes into one tiny hole. I said I forgot too much awesome shit goes into one tiny hole.
I'm sorry.
Oh man, my goodness.
Alright, so before you put it back in, you're going to make sure to replace these two O-rings right here. These cannot come out while you put it in. These are the rostra solenoids, so all the tabs are going to be facing upwards. The OEMs, these ones were facing downward that way. So these ones are the rostra ones, you can tell by the ring on the outside here. They're going to be facing up that way. And then make sure you get this clip on there as well for the wire harness. That's gonna be going under this. All these bolts are torqued to 62 inch-pounds. So